Alright, I want to first introduce Elasticsearch basics before going into the coding section for Elasticsearch implementation. For this, please install Postman, which is a handy tool as I mentioned previously to call APIs if you didn't install it previously, and we will use it for both Elasticsearch endpoint tests and also for our microservices API tests. So just go to the postman.com and download and install it to your machine. Alright, moving into the Elasticsearch basics. Elasticsearch is an open source search engine which runs a Apache Lucene engine in a background, which is a high-performance, full-feature text search engine. Elasticsearch organizes your data using documents and make them easily accessible and, more importantly, searchable. It is an easy RESTful API, which we will examine it using Postman, and it uses JSON for communication. It is easy to scale an Elasticsearch by adding more nodes or more shards for an index. Elasticsearch has built-in type guessing and dynamic mapping capabilities which will understand the type of a field even though it's not explicitly defined. And it has Lucene analyzers which you can choose according to your needs. It has a very nice query DSL for writing complex queries. We will run some example queries in the coming lectures to see how this DSL works. There are some important concepts on Elasticsearch, and one of them is the concept of inverted index, which allows to make fast full-text searches. An inverted index consists of a list of all the unique words that appear in any document, and for each word, a list of the documents in which it appears. You can find only terms that exist in your index, so both the index text and the query string must be normalized into the same form. So we said normalized. How does Elasticsearch processes a text before indexing? It uses built-in analyzers. Analyzing a text consists of 3 steps. First, character filters. It's tidy up string like strip out HTML, change characters to end, etc. Tokenizers. Tokenize a string into individual words and split the string into terms using white space or punctuations. And finally, token filters. It filters out the string like change the word like lowercase, remove terms like stop words such as a, the, and finally add words like synonyms. Finally, Elasticsearch provides many character filters, tokenizers, and token filters out of the box. This can be combined to create custom analyzers suitable for different purposes. Here we see the basic data types that we can use in Elasticsearch. Alright, I will see you in the next section.